I think for both of our readings this week, they both kind of explain and make us think about how intense human experiences can really change us and how we see the world and how we think about things. I think the big differences between them both is like Leech uses like love, and then Dillard focuses more on like an eclipse, using that as an example. But for the first article, we have Leech's love. I think the main idea there is that love can't be explained logically. It's something that, in her opinion, with what she writes, it's something that overwhelms us and breaks us down, which I feel like is also connected to her writing style, because she uses fragmented writing, which I feel she wants us to be a little mixed up, but she wants us to think deeper into things because she wants us to feel the emotion she's writing down. She had two quotes that I really liked that I thought connected to the takeaway. One of them being, love is a kind of brain damage. To me, she's starting with something that, like, love isn't just an emotional thing, but it's also something that's physical because it messes with how we think and how we act. We're not really just us when we get these emotions and when we get so into it. She also suggests that it can be destructive and very irrational. Her other quote I liked was, you forget yourself and you disappear. She's kind of explaining how love can make you lose your sense of self. Which, I mean, like, you are connecting yourself with another individual. You're not just you anymore. It's now like a pair. She does exclaim that it can be scary, but it's also like a very exciting thing. And then on the other one was Dillard's total eclipse. I feel like her main idea was kind of that the natural world can flip something with us, with our sense of reality and self. It's not just like love in that. It can be just things around us. She also had a couple quotes I liked. Sorry, I'm trying to find it. It had been like dying that sliding down the mountain pass. She kind of starts with the normal moments, but she flips it into the eclipses. And I remember she exclaimed kind of like that an eclipse feels like death. Like the world feels unreal. She also talked about losing normal perceptions. I feel like the quotes that back that part up was, the loss of some is like the death of the mind. To me, that's showing how overwhelming experiences can be with us. Like how overwhelming things can be can like influence how we think about things and how we understand what's actually going on. The sky snapped over the sun like a lens cover. I had a little bit hard time understanding this one, which is why I wanted to pull it out. To me, it was kind of like how she felt was the world itself wasn't normal, and it was kind of like